Witnessing a volcano erupt in slow motion is like watching nature's raw power unfold in breathtaking detail. As magma bursts forth, it transforms from molten rock to a fiery fountain, each droplet suspended in time. The explosive force sends ash and gas spiraling into the sky, creating a stunning contrast against the landscape. You can almost feel the heat radiating as the lava flows, carving new paths through the earth. This spectacle isn't just beautiful, it's a reminder of the planet's dynamic nature, where destruction and creation coexist in a dance as old as time itself.